10.3-inch navigation display. This video will show you some of the many features and functions that are accessed through the available 10.3-inch navigation display. The first thing you'll notice is the clarity and size of the display. Its high resolution and color definition enhances visibility. This screen can display a 1280 by 480 image. You can view a single map or menu. And it can be set to a split screen to show other useful features. When the screen is split, it has a main display on the left and a side display on the right. To change the display from full screen to split screen, or vice versa, select the icon at the lower right in the shortcut bar. Pressing the menu button on the center console brings up all of the system's features on the screen. Using the remote touchpad, you can scroll through the main menu. You can select specific functions from the shortcut buttons, or choose the main icon for more options. Selecting Destination allows you to enter and save a destination in a variety of ways. Radio displays the radio control screen. Media displays the media control screen, where you can select from your connected media devices. Phone will display the hands-free phone operations. Apps will display your Lexus Inform app suite options if your device is connected. Info allows you to access your fuel consumption and trip information, traffic incidents, weather, vehicle alert history, and e-owner's manual. Setup provides access to a variety of adjustments and feature customizations. And Climate displays the climate control screen. Press the Map button to display the map. On the far right of the display is a vertical set of shortcuts. Selecting the navigation icon will display a compass, or you can choose to have a map displayed. Selecting the audio icon displays the current audio source and lets you make adjustments on screen. Selecting the vehicle information icon displays your trip information, fuel economy, and fuel consumption history. Selecting the climate control icon displays the status of your climate control system and allows you to make adjustments to seats, steering wheel, and other front controls. The side display also acts as a notification screen for certain systems. When you receive a phone call, a notification screen will appear that allows you to answer or decline the call. When you're using Lexus Inform Destination Assist, a screen showing your call status will appear. And when you're changing driving modes, the system displays which mode you've selected. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab, then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.